southwestern Allen County in northeastern Indiana, Wabash County,
What?
Indiana, Grant County in central Indiana, southern Woodley County in northeastern Indiana, Blackford County in east central Indiana.
Oh no!
County in northeastern Indiana,
Blackford
east
County
central
ordered
County,
death.
Indiana, south
Oh.
central Kosciuszko County,
Crap.
Indiana, Wells County in northeastern Indiana, western
This
Adams
is the
County
biggest
in
one I've ever
northeastern
seen
Indiana,
caught.
western Jay County in east central Indiana, Miami County, Indiana, until 2:45 p.m.
Oh
Eastern
my
Daylight Time.
gosh.
At 1:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Akron to near Wabash to 6 miles west of Windfall City, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Wayne, Marion, Huntington, New Haven, Peru, Wabash, Bluffton, Hartford City, North Manchester, Kansas City, Vernon, Upland, Ossian, Fairmount, Dunkirk, Montpelier, Jonesboro, Redkey, Geneva, and Sweetser. This includes the following highways: Interstate 469 between mile marker 0 and 15. Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 252 and 305. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in northern Indiana. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana. The severe